Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese phrasebook that you can get through the Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store, and in here search in learn Japanese phrasebook. So here it is, learn Japanese phrasebook. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learn Japanese, as you can see, it's in categorized greetings, starting from greetings up to shoppings and so on. Greetings, there you can listen, you'll be able to learn how to pronounce it properly. Settings, you can go to the settings to modify something or tweak your settings. Pick a phrase to copy, emergency, there, and so on. You can use search and add to your favorites. Alright, let's go back and install it. So while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know the features available for this. So for this lite version, it contains about 400 common words and phrases, which is for free. However, you can upgrade and unlock all the 800 phrases in 18 categories. So carefully, these are the features. So these are the main features: carefully translated list of essential phrases, high quality audio pronunciation by native speaker, play all phrases automatically in each category, ability to adjust font size, no internet connection required, highlight important words with tips. Alright, let's open it. And okay, as you may have noticed, some of the categories in here are grayed out, meaning we cannot access it. So we can only access until business. So if we try to access time and date, as you may have noticed, it will require us to upgrade to Pro version to unlock all the 833 phrases and audio. So let's just skip that part, but no. And let's try to open greetings as our starting point. Hello, konnichiwa, good morning, ohayo, good afternoon, konnichiwa, good evening, konbanwa, good night, how are you, genki desu ka, and so on. So just scroll down and look for a particular phrases or words that you want to hear. So this one there, you can play it and then you'll be able to hear it. And if you want to add this to your favorites, just tap this one here, just like that, and this will be added to your favorites. And let's go to this one. So as you can see, if you tap this one here, there, so let's try this one here and then tap there. So see you later. And if you want to listen on how to pronounce this properly, then just tap this one here. So mata aimashou, sayonara, hajimemashite, what about you, anata wa dou desu ka, and so on. So let's pause it and go back. So this is really helpful if you wanna listen to a particular phrases and how to pronounce it properly. And for the settings, you can adjust the font size, so small font and a bigger font. So let's just reset it to default. Select audio speed. You also have the option to make it slower or faster. So let's just reset it to default there, and let's go back to the category section. So general conversation. So yes is hi, no yeah, I don't understand, thank you, arigato. So as you may have noticed, there are two ways of writing arigato. So the kanji used to say to someone you're not close to. The second is hiragana, used to say to someone you're more close to. So there's information how to use it properly. So there, the same thing with congratulations, which is omedito gozaimasu. So there are also two ways of saying this. and just scroll down and look for a sentence that you are interested to learn. Like this one, how do you pronounce this? これはどのように発音しますか? Then you can proceed to more. Help is 助けて what なんですか and so on. So this just scroll down, and if you wanna listen to these words or sentences, just tap this one here and tap this play button. So 助けて. So you will not be able to hear it because I'm using my microphone. My microphone is attached to this phone, so you will not be able to hear it. But on your end, if you download this, if you have this on your phone and you follow this video, then you will be able to hear this. So there, let's go back, and you can even use this one here. So phrases, enter phrases. So I love, there, I love dish. So you can use the phrases. Actually, this works if you have all the, then you can use the search to search a particular word. So let's say love here. So only one search result. I love the dish. I love this dish. 私はこの料理が大好き. So there. So in here, if you tap these three dots at the top right portion, you will see these options: about, tips, our apps, share this app, rate this app, and support. So for the free version, it has a limited category. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can only access 8. We can only access 8 category. So I highly recommend to purchase this app if you wanted to learn more. So you can so for the full version, it has 800 phrases in 18 categories. So this will be unlocked. You will be able to unlock all of these features. So tongue twister, dating, and so on. So since I know the basics of Japanese characters like hiragana, katakana, I can proceed to more advanced Japanese. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.